making caramel swirl walnut brownies for Super Bowl. This is my contribution. There's going to be so much yummy food though. I'm going for the Seahawks purely because they've won less Super Bowls than the Patriots. I really don't care about either of the teams, to be honest. All I care about is there's only 2 minutes and 50 seconds until my concert.
Woo! My concert's finally on.
I think Ollie likes it. Oh my God, so happy right now. I didn't think it could get any better.
So Haley, my super sweet sister-in-law, gave me a Galentine's gift today when I went over for Super Bowl. These adorable peach rings, but I mean, the packaging is so cute. Love you to Peaches. And she knows I love me some peach rings. And then look how cute this key ring is. Because we joke about how I have to kiss a lot of frogs to find my prince. So it's just so perfect. It's so cute. And then I also wanted to show you that I got a nice package from Pixie, and I loved the pink box because usually it's a green box. And they have these new lip tones. They nourish and give a glowing gloss that reacts to your natural pH to reveal a color that's uniquely yours. But they do still have different shades. So we have like a pearl, a gold shimmer, an iridescent pink glow, a natural nude, pastel pink, and a juicy peach coral. And that's the one that I just put on my lips, and it feels like a moisturizing gloss, as if I put a lip balm on that just has a bit of glossiness, but it really does do the most beautiful coloring on your lips. I have a pimple patch from Pixie, literally, on my face right now and no makeup, but I'll show you really quick just so you can get an idea of how pretty this is. Isn't that so pretty? I cannot wait to wear this with makeup on, but even without makeup on, it doesn't look overboard. Like, I can see this replacing my lip glows, like my lip oil balms, because this one's less slippery, like feels more like a balm, but gives such a pretty glow. Might be a new favorite.
Watching Aristocats as I'm working from home today. The cutest Valentine for my mom. I had to show you guys how sweet this is. First of all, the bag. I don't know if I'll ever be able to part with this bag. I always like to recycle and, like, you know, give my friends bags that I save, but this one is way too cute, and it has little hearts in the inside. You see that? So cute. Okay, anyways, this one's for Holly. Little macarons. And then she got me some milk pecan buds from C's Candy. Literally any of their like nut cluster kind of chocolate from C's Candy, I'm in heaven. This beautiful bracelet from House of Harlow. Adorable little cupcake napkins. I will use past Valentines too, just like matches my aesthetic, I feel like. And then same thing with this adorable Coach wallet that's cherries. Look how cute that is. And I love how small it is, because I don't like carrying huge card holders. So this is perfect. Thank you so much, Mama. And speaking of some Valentine's love, Haley got me a really sweet Galantines, and I also made her one. If you remember, I got these frames at the Target Bullseye spot, and this one says, "You are so loved." I put a picture of all of us at Disney together, and then I did give her a few skincare favorites like a mask, a primer, a Laneige lip balm, and some of these Starburst Heart jelly beans because she prefers candy that kind of candy instead of chocolate. And then I have a couple little Dove chocolates here for Aubrey and have this one that says best friends are better than chocolate. I was just taking a picture of my Valentine for my mom, and I'm not sure if I showed you guys yesterday. I think I did, but I didn't show you this purse. She found this on a consignment coach website, and so I don't think it's available anymore. But does this not give you Love Shack fancy vibes with Coach? I love it. And Coach used to be like my #1 purse brand, and they're starting to become that way again because I just love the different patterns that they use. I love that the leather is so easily cleaned with Coach bags, and I think I showed you this little cherry one last time too, but so stinking cute. Ollie's getting a Valentine from Mommy, too. Do you like him, baby? It's the white rabbit. Well, she tries to get the bunnies in the backyard, and I try to avoid her doing that, so I'm like, might as well give her a fake bunny. Come on, baby, want to go play? Look at these beautiful flowers Brian and Haley got me for Valentine's Day. Definitely made me smile today. They are so beautiful. Sunday morning, I'm about to go to brunch for a couple friends' birthdays. They're twins, so it's 2 friends of mine. We're going to the Mission in Scottsdale, like I said, for brunch. I don't think I've shared this dress with you before. The sleeves are so like princess-like. I'll try to show you in the full-length mirror because it's kind of hard to see. It has pockets too, and really floaty, fun sleeves. Can you tell? I also put my House of Harlow new bracelet on with all the cute hearts that my mom got me. I think she got it at TJ Maxx or something like that. I thought it looked so perfect with this dress. The colors are perfect. And then I'm also wearing my new Coach bag with all the flowers because I just feel like it's definitely perfect for today. Happy Monday. I just had a kind of long day at work, but now I'm going to be going to see my bestie Aubrey. So I'm meeting up with her. We're doing a little Galantines exchange. Can you see that? It's kind of bright. Got her a little gifty. Nothing crazy, just something to let her know I was thinking about her. And we're just going to go have some Chipotle, really low key. How cute are these bracelets? I don't think I showed you guys that Aubrey got me this adorable glass with the little pink bows. I mean, can't get more me than that. So I did a thing and I got the gorgeous Disney Castle 3-wick candle holder from Bath & Body Works, and it was an ungodly amount, but I knew I would regret not getting it. Lights up clearly. It's gold details. It has princess details in each window. So we've got Rapunzel. This is Aurora. And then we've got Little Mermaid. We've got Belle, Mulan. Is that all of them? And Minnie Mouse, which I think is funny because she's not a princess, but still cute representation, I guess. And then the bottom is like all sparkly like snow, which I really love too. And I just think it's really pretty. So I did also get the Princess Collection candle, but it was completely shattered like on the sides. It was buy one, get one free of candles. So I did get this strawberry pound cake with just this plain red lid, but the lid actually survived the other beautiful candle. It actually smells really good too. But look how beautiful this lid is. It comes with the Life's a Fairy Tale candle from the Princess collection as well, but clearly very me. All right, I don't know if you can tell how big that is. So this is my hand. It's big, but not too crazy big. Online, it seemed ginormous. I thought it was gonna be bigger than it is, but I still love it. And then the only other thing I got from the Princess collection was this pocket back, which holds hand sanitizers from Bath & Body Works. It also lights up. It's like a little miniature replica. It's so cute. Also love that it's gold and like a white glitter iridescent look to it. I almost did get some of the fragrances from the collection, like the princess candles and the princess fragrances, but I was like, I really don't need that. Did I need this? No, but I know I would regret not having these. And this did already sell out online, but you might be able to get it in store still. Let me take the candle off so you can see how it looks without it.